So right now I'm gonna do a short video about preparing French toast. Alright, these are my utensils and food supplies here. So I've got a skillet, eggs of course, a mixing bowl, spatula, egg turner, whisk, Tupperware container, Pam, whipped cream, syrup, cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to prepare the eggs and the bread to soak overnight. I have here 4 slices of raisin cinnamon bread, 3 eggs, a mixing bowl, and a whisk. Now let's break and mix the eggs. Second egg. Now I've got the French bread here out of the refrigerator. So next I'm going to Pam the skillet right here. And then I'm going to put the bread on the skillet. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and turn them. I've been in there a couple minutes. I'm going to cook the other side. I've got French toast here. See the egg right there coming out. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat off here. These are about done. And I've got my plate here. I'm going to transfer the French toast over here. Separate these out a little bit. And now I'm going to apply the powdered sugar. Now I'm going to take the cinnamon here. And now I have the syrup. Put it on. Okay. And lastly, I've got the whipped cream here.